dips. Dips can be done with a wide grip for the chest, a narrow grip for the tricep, or a regular grip for a nice balance between chest and tricep. Jump up onto the bars, keep the core squeezed tight, keep the butt squeezed throughout the movement, and keep the chest up. Notice how we only lower our body until the upper arm is parallel with the bar. Any lower and we risk injuring the shoulder. A beginner may lack the strength to conduct this exercise with their body weight, and if that's the case, a resistance band can be used to help assist the exercise. Start with a thick resistance band and slowly work down to a thinner one until eventually you have the strength to phase it out and complete the exercise with body weight. Some commercial gyms may have a dip machine that allows you to select the weight to help you on the exercise instead of a resistance band. Performing bodyweight dip parallel bars is a very advanced exercise and requires a significant amount of strength. The best place to begin is with bench dips. This allows you to slowly build up your strength using a bench and in a much safer environment. This can also include the following variations, as well as adding weight to make the exercise even more difficult. Next up is assisted parallel bar dips. This can be done using a resistance band as shown, or many commercial gyms have assisted machines that will allow you to work on your dips and pull-ups in a similar but easier fashion. As your strength increases, choose a lighter resistance band until eventually the resistance bands are phased out and you're doing it full body weight. The following variation can be added in at any time throughout your training as long as you're able to control the descent. If you fall uncontrollably down, do not perform these until you've built up the adequate strength in the previous phases. This exercise is great for overloading the muscles and helping you towards the following. Full bodyweight dips on a parallel bar. Again, this is an advanced exercise and depending on how you filled out the consultation form will dictate which phase your fully tailored training program will begin at.